Hey everybody, this is an instructional video on Windows updates, what they are and what they're used for. Microsoft puts out updates frequently to better improve the performance of your computer, and these can range from security aspects to prevent your computer from being affected by malware or viruses or what have you. They also have updates to improve the functionality of your computer and even the programs that are running on it. So these are very important things that you need to make sure that get updated on your computer. So there's a couple different ways to access the Windows updates. Currently I'm in Windows 7, so I like to always use the search bar feature because it's always the quickest. And you can just start typing in Windows Update and it gives you the option up here at the top. If you do not have the search bar, you can go to your control panel, and towards the bottom here you have the option for Windows Update. So we'll click on that, and here's a screen that will be brought up. Over here on the left you have a lot of different ways to configure the updates here. You can click check for updates and it will check Microsoft's database to see if there's anything out currently that it hasn't already picked up. And right now it shows that I have 7 important updates that are available and then 30 optional updates that are available. If you wanted to see a little bit more information about it, go ahead and click on it and it'll bring up the list of the updates that it recommends that you should have. And whenever you highlight the update over here on the right, it tells you what this is for. This particular update is for security reasons, so definitely want to make sure that that is installed on my computer. You also have the option over here on the left to change the settings. And it says here up at the top, when your computer is online, Windows can automatically check for these updates and install them. And that's the way that I have it set up right now. It's set up to install updates automatically, which is the recommended thing to do. And I definitely want important updates installed on my computer, and it installs these new updates every day at 3 a.m. You also have an option here for recommended updates. If you check this box, it will give you the recommended updates the same way that I receive the important updates. I'm not too worried about the recommended ones. It's more the critical and the important updates that I'm worried about. Who can install updates? You can make it so that maybe just administrators will be able to do the updates, but right now on this computer we'll just leave it as allow all users to install updates on the computer. You also have a Microsoft update that will give you updates on products and check for new optional Microsoft software when I update Windows, and I'll just go ahead and uncheck that. I'm not as worried about that aspect of it. And then you also have software notifications. Show me detailed notifications when new Microsoft software is available. So there's a couple different ways you can customize the Windows Update. You can also view your update history. So every update that has taken place on your computer, you can look at it. You'll see the name here, the number. You can see if it was successful or not. This was a successful update. It was an important update, and it was installed on 7/5 of 2011. If you want more info on it, you can right-click on it and hit View Details. And this has a lot of the same information, but it says that install this update to revise the definition files used to detect spyware and other potentially unwanted software. There's even a link for more information about this, and there's also a help and support link. If you have hidden an update that you didn't want installed on your computer for whatever reason, you have the option to restore hidden updates. I don't have any on the list right here, but here's where you would find them and restore them. And you also have a frequently asked questions section here as well. And right here in the middle it says most recent check for updates was completed today at 8:16 p.m. The last updates that were installed were on July 5th, 2011 at 7:30. And you receive updates for Windows and other products from Microsoft Update. So that's been a quick tutorial on how to configure the Windows updates for your PC. Highly recommended, especially the critical and the important updates, because this will help you with security risks and other functionality aspects of your computer. We'll see you next time.